Hi people, welcome to MSK Junction and it's at MSK. Today the topic is purely dedicated to women, especially their favorite, jewelry. Many wear it to showcase their richness and feel it as a prestige. But after watching this video, they'll be aware of what are they wearing and they'll be knowing what are the significances behind it. So let's start. Jewelry. Jewelry has been a significant ornament for Indian women. Apart from increasing the beauty of Indian women, Indian jewelry is also considered to be a matter of great security in terms of financial crisis due to its good value. Jewelry and Indian women share a deep connection as its value lies not only in traditions but also has a great significance in scientific terms as well. Relating to today's topic, there is a prime connection with a concept called Sola Shringar, which encompasses 16 steps that women would follow for her beautification from head to toe at the time of her wedding. This ritual has a very sentimental value for an Indian bride to be. I will list it out quickly, so bear with me. Bindi, Sindoor, Mang Tikka, Kajal, Mehendi, wedding dress, flower, nose ring, earring, Mangalyam, arm ring, bangles, ring, necklace, belly belt and toe ring. The 16 ornaments what you have seen, from those ornaments, I thought of sharing some ornaments that women must know, and not only women, even who watches this video. It's always a pleasure to know and say about our tradition and custom. So I will share about the significances and science relying on it. For rings, earrings, anklets, necklace, nose ring, bangles and toe ring. Let me begin with earrings. It is a spiritual remedy that creates a protective layer of energy around the ears and keeps them protected from all kinds of negative energies. It is believed that negative energies attacks a person using a sound wave as a medium. The movement of earrings generates a subtle sound that calms the wearer's mind. An ornament worn on the ears also distresses the negative vibration and allows the wearer to feel positivity rushing through the body. Secondly, nose ring. Nose, being one among the 6 sense organs, is not just a sense organ that had been helping you in breathing and smelling various scents. It is additionally an organ that controls different feelings and emotions. For example, energy, sentiments, and sexual emotions. Ladies with nose pins are seen to be emotionally solid. The point where the nose is pierced is the acupressure point, which is related to delivery. And when the nose is pierced at this point, women would feel less pain during delivery with fewer complications. Gold is considered to be the best metal for nose pins, mainly because of its property of absorbing heat. Although other metals can be used for their beauty, wearing a gold nose pin is mostly advised. Necklace. A necklace set is worn around the neck, as you all know, as the area from the neck to the abdomen includes 3 chakras, that is Vishuddha, Anahata, Swadhisthana. The neck piece protects the entire areas and ensures the chakras function properly. The weight of the necklace causes the wearer to bend their neck a little, which generates the feeling of modesty. It is believed that neck piece also helps reduce the ego of the wearer. Bangles. Bangles are not just accessories. They are our tradition. They are part of our culture as well. There are scientific observations which tell us exactly why women wear bangles. 1. Blood circulation and energy. Bangles help in maintaining and recharging our energy levels as well. The electricity passing out through the skin is again reverted to our own body because of these ring-shaped bangles. Point 2. Emotional balance. A research made on ladies wearing glass bangles and those wearing bangles made of their or other synthetic materials revealed that glass bangles vibrated and acted as pacifiers and moderators of strong emotions. Rings. The ring also provides protection from the attacks of negative energies. When the ring presses the delicate part of the finger, healing occurs naturally. While doing so, it allows energy to flow through each finger. A gold ring carries more healing benefits than any other ring. Anklets. Anklets create a protective shield around the wearer's body to keep negative energies away. The weight of the ornament put pressures on the ankle, which administers acupressure therapy. Anklets generally have bells that generate pure sound waves and keep the wearer safe from negative energies. Toe rings. According to scientific reasoning, wearing toe rings treats gynecological problems by massaging the second toe. There is also a belief that wearing of toe rings press on certain nerves that pertain to the reproductive system, which helps in keeping the system balanced and healthy. Hope you all liked the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe MSK Junction. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.